Hi, I'm Daniel Abraham, proud to present Blink. Blink is laptop insurance by the second using nanopayments, and it's priced for the exact moment of risk of the laptop. So what we're looking at here is the front end, where you can either try the demo or have a look at the admin portal. The admin portal is collecting the premiums, and I will explain a bit more about what you've just seen, but this is the where someone goes to receive coverage for their laptop. So to run through the workflow here, what's happening is we're now looking at real information of the laptop. So we're taking real data from the laptop. Currently, we're just taking if the laptop is plugged in, and this is basically a proxy for geolocation. So if it's plugged in, we're assuming they're at the desk, and when we remove our laptop from charge, which I've just done, it now says we're on the move because we're on battery. So this also activates a higher risk multiplier, and the rate doubles here. And essentially, what's going to be happening is the user is going to be streaming nano payments of laptop for the laptop insurance premiums, and it changes based off of the risk of the moment. In the real version, we'll have many more data points, such as motion sensors, activity signals, and more granular geolocation analysis. But for now, we have just this proxy. So let me plug my laptop back in. We go ahead and decide a laptop value and the policy days. For the sake of the demo, I'll just select 1 hour, but the user can actually decide however long they want their policy for. So if I go ahead and activate cover, now what's happening is we're streaming nano payments from the gateway wallet, and if I remove my laptop, or we can actually check here as well, we're streaming 3 micro USD per second. If I remove my laptop from charge, which I'm going to do right now, as you can see, I've removed from charge, and the rate has changed. So we're now paying 6 micro USD per second. And I'll connect it back to charge, and now it says we're at desk. So it's plugged in. So it's reading the live device state, the real device state, by the second, and pricing based off of the risk of the moment. And we go ahead and just end this now. What we will look at in the admin portal is that we've received everything here. And we can actually look through the history of each charge per second, and we can see exactly when we've been on battery and exactly when we've been charging. So exactly when the user's been on the move and exactly when the user is idle at the desk. And we also have collected premiums, and we have a USYC reserve also, which when we collect premiums, we deposit from USDC to USYC and then stake it and collect. And this accrues interest via the staking mechanism. So that's the full end-to-end workflow for the user and the admin. And the admin simply just receives these premiums, and they can kind of move them into reserves when they want. And we've also put a handy little thing here for joining the waitlist, because this could be a real product which actually replaces traditional gadget insurance. So thank you.